Okay.
Yeah. What's up, YouTube fam? It's Stevie
41.
and today we're coming at you with a fidget spinner review. We have one that lights up, and we have the average one right here with the little bearings on the end. And we're going to do a review on what we think about them, and then we're going to do a stock test on how long they can spin for. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So, just taking them out, see how it feels.
Pause.
I definitely like the weight on this one, feels not too heavy, not too light. Spins pretty good for an average spin. I'm not even going fast. It does have a little bit of sound, but I don't know if you can hear it or not.
So mine goes up, right? But the weights aren't on there, so it means it goes much slower. It goes slower than your average fidget spinner. But I mean, like, pluses and minuses. When you spin it, it looks like that.
Still good. It looks good. It's better visually.
And plus, it's more fun to look at.
True.
And blind yourself.
So I guess now we're gonna do the fidget spinning stock test. We'll start with that one, and then we'll go into this one. So we're gonna get a timer, and we'll be right. Recording. Well, as you can see, this one is only meant for show. Now let's get on to the second one.
That one that might just really be.
Well, there you go. 1,040,000.
Well, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to smash that notification button so you can know when we post our new videos.